Okay, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, can you tell me about your what did you do yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, what did you do yesterday? Did you play? Did you play yesterday? Hmm? What
Kids
did you play?
play badminton.
You play badminton. With whom? With your brother?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, with your brother. Okay, so very good. Okay, so can you tell me more about what did you do yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you do yesterday? Did you go buy food?
No, I go shopping.
You go shopping. Wow. With who?
In
With whom?
family.
Your father and your mother?
No, family.
Your family. Wow.
Yes.
So that's nice. Okay, what did you buy on the shopping mall?
Yes.
What did you buy on the shopping mall?
Yes.
Yes, what do you buy?
Is glow.
Clothes. Wow. Okay, so do you buy more? Did you buy
Yes.
more? Huh? Do
Yes.
you buy a lot of clothes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, one moment, please. Okay, let me share my screen.
Get ready.
Get ready. Yeah, so get ready. Okay. Uh-huh. So, okay, what number is it? Sorry, what page? Page 25, right? Yes, here. Okay, one moment. Okay, long oh sorry. Oh, where is it? 26. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, is it right that you also um studying Let's Talk One, right? Let's Talk One.
No, no.
No?
No.
Yeah, because they sent me Let's Talk One. Okay. Page 26. Okay, let me share. Can you see my screen?
No.
Not yet. Okay, let me see. Mhm. How about this one? Can you see it? Can you
Yes.
see? Yes. All right, that's nice. Okay, now maybe let's start with our lesson today.
Yes.
Okay. So, right, you also. Okay, this is Let's Talk number one. So, do you have this book?
No.
No? Okay, just do you have this one?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, let's have this one. Okay, so flyers practice test. So, let's continue the lesson. Okay? So, let's put check in the box. There is an example here. So, okay. Oh, one moment. I didn't open my audio. Audio. Okay, maybe let me share my full screen so that you can hear all the things.
Teacher,
Yes.
I drinking water.
Oh, sure. Yeah, go ahead. While I'm fixing our lesson. 13.
Listening 13. Flyers practice test.
All right. So are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, so that's nice. Okay, let's listen the audio first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, tell me if you can hear the audio, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, let's begin.
Listening 13. Flyers practice test. Listening part 4. Listen and look. There is one example. What time did the lesson start?
So, Betty, why are you late for my lesson?
Sorry, Mrs. Hall. I had to go to the doctor this morning.
Well, the lesson began at 10:15, and it's 10:30 now.
I'm sorry, but I had to see the doctor at 9:30, and then I came straight to school.
OK, Betty, but I'll need a letter from your mother.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
Can you see the tick? This is an example. Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today?
Now, last week we did some good cooking, and you all made some very nice pizza. I hope your families enjoyed it.
What are we going to make this week?
Well, it's biscuits this week, and then next week we're going to try making bread.
Can we take them home again, Mrs. Hall?
Yes, Betty, you can.
2. What should Betty
All right, okay, questions. Number 1. What
It's
does
pizza.
pizza?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is it pizza? You said biscuits.
Sure.
Okay. All right, let's check. Okay. Number 2. Okay, listen carefully.
get from the fridge?
Now then, Betty, the other children have got everything they need in front of them. So, could you go to the fridge and get some eggs?
And do we need milk, Mrs. Hall?
No, not for these biscuits, Betty. Oh, but you do need a bit of butter. You'll find that in the fridge too.
Oh, okay then.
All right. So number 2. What should
Number-
Betty get from the fridge?
Egg and butter.
Egg and butter. Wonderful. Okay, next. Okay, number 3.
3. What does Betty need to do next?
Before you start, have you washed your hands, Betty? It's very important to have clean hands when you're cooking.
I did that before I came to class, miss.
Good. Now, could you get a bowl from that cupboard over there?
Okay, Mrs. Hall.
And you need to write all the information about temperature and cooking times in your book.
As Betty need to do next?
Do my homework.
Do homework. She will take,
No, number 8.
is it letter E? Okay, Mr. Ho, okay, do you want to listen again?
Number 8.
Okay, so Miss Ho said she will take down, okay, the list, okay, later. So she said, do next. Does she wash your hand? She said, I do it before we go to class. Okay, then Miss Hu said, okay, then take the bowl and the coverage. Okay, so do you want to listen it again?
Number I.
Okay, so letter A. I said, all right, so let's listen it later. Okay, all right, let's have number 4.
4. What did Betty forget to do?
Did you remember to put some sugar in the bowl, Betty?
Yes, Mrs. Hall.
And a little bit of salt?
Yes, I did that too. But Mrs. Hall, they don't look very brown.
Well, that's because you didn't turn the cooker on, Betty.
Oh no!
Don't worry. You can cook them now and come and collect them later.
Thanks, Mrs. Hall.
All right, what does Betty forget to
Number
do?
B.
Letter?
B.
Okay, say it again. Letter. So this is letter. Okay, letter.
Letter.
The number is this one. This is number. This is letter.
Letter.
Okay, say it again.
B.
Letter.
B.
Letter B. Okay, very good. All right. So, okay, so let's listen again. Okay, let's check your answer.
Listening 13. Flyers practice test. Listening part 4. Listen and look. There is one example. What time did the lesson start?
So, Betty, why are you late for my lesson?
Sorry, Mrs. Hall. I had to go to the doctor this morning.
Well, the lesson began at 10:15, and it's 10:30 now.
I'm sorry, but I had to see the doctor at 9:30, and then I came straight to school.
OK, Betty, but I'll need a letter from your mother.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
Can you see the tick? This is an example. Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today?
Now, last week we did some good cooking and you all made some very nice pizza. I hope your families enjoyed it.
What are we going to make this week?
Well, it's biscuits this week, and then next week we're going to try making bread.
Can we take them home again, Mrs. Hall?
Yes, Betty, you can.
2. What should Betty get from the fridge?
Now then, Betty, the other children have got everything they need in front of them. So could you go to the fridge and get some eggs?
And do we need milk, Mrs. Hall?
No, not for these biscuits, Betty. Oh, but you do need a bit of butter. You'll find that in the fridge too.
Oh, OK then.
3. What does Betty need to do next?
Before you start, have you washed your hands, Betty? It's very important to have clean hands when you're cooking.
I did that before I came to class, miss.
Good. Now could you get a bowl from that cupboard over there?
OK, Mrs. Hall.
And you need to write all the information about temperature and cooking times in your book. But you can do that later.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
4. What did Betty forget to do?
Did you remember to put some sugar in the bowl, Betty?
Yes, Mrs. Hall.
And a little bit of salt?
Yes, I did that too. But Mrs. Hall, they don't look very brown.
Well, that's because you didn't turn the cooker on, Betty.
Oh no!
Don't worry. You can cook them now and come and collect them later.
Thanks, Mrs. Hall.
Okay, so you see? All right, so the question must be, so Betty asking if what they are, what is they want, they will cook today, not last week or last lesson. So Miss Hu said they will cook biscuit. Okay? Today they will cook biscuit. Next lesson they will cook bread. Right? Okay, so you answered pizza. But it's okay. That's only a practice. All right? So number 2, so you got an correct answer. So Miss Hu said Betty will get butter and eggs on a fridge. So that's correct. So they don't need milk for the biscuit. Okay, and it's not a combination if they will make butter and milk for the cookies or for the bread or biscuit. I mean, sorry. All right, let's have number 3. So you answered letter A. Okay, so Miss Who said, the question is, what does Betty need to do next? Okay, so Miss Who said, have you washed your hand? So that is important before we go or making a food. Okay, so Betty said, yes, I do it already, or I do it before I'm going to class. Okay, so this is before. Okay, so to do next, the question is to do next is to take a bowl. So the correct answer is letter C. Okay, so yeah, putting a list is later. Understood? Is it clear, Huang?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so for number 4, you get a correct answer. So Betty forgot, or she forget to turn on, the oven to cook. All right, that's wonderful. Okay, so good job for that.
Good
Okay,
job.
good job. Yeah, you still did great. Good job. Okay, so now let's move on. Oh, where I am now. Okay, let's move on to, so flyer practice test. Okay, let's practice again. Okay, could you read it? Or do you want me to read and then you will read it later? Okay, let's read. I read first. Okay, listen carefully. So Sophia is talking to her brother. Oliver, read the conversation and choose the best answer. So write a letter A or A to H for each answer. So you do not need to use all letters. All right? Okay, I know you have copy there. So yeah, you well answered number 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, I will read the questions. Okay, tell me what is your answer. Okay?
Okay.
So you can tell me letter. Okay, letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So that is letter. All right?
Right.
All right. Very good one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, number 1 question. Okay. Oh, sorry. Where should we buy from? Sorry. Where should we buy one from? Okay, what
Letter
late
F. Letter
A,
F.
H? This
Yes.
one? Okay, letter H. Okay, let's have letter H first. All right, let's have number 2. Okay, let's catch a train. What platform is it?
Number P.
Okay, so letter, say it again. Letter
Letter P.
B. Okay, wonderful. Okay, number 3. What you what you got any money? Have you got any money?
Number F.
Letter F?
Letter F.
Yes, letter F. Okay. All right. How shall we pay for our ticket then? How shall we pay for our tickets then?
Number D.
Sorry?
Number D.
Okay, letter
D.
D. Is it D? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's have, okay, number 5. Number 5, we can't do that. Okay, we can't do that. Do you want to go tomorrow instead?
Letter C.
C?
The C. Yes.
Okay, letter C. Okay, let's check. All right. Okay, let's have number 1. So where should we buy one from? Okay, you answered letter H. We could go to the city center. And that's correct. Very good. Okay, number 2. Okay. All right. So, okay, can you help me read, Huang? Can you help me read? Okay, number 2. Okay, let's catch a train.
Train. What
Platform.
from easy?
Okay, it's letter B. You answered letter B. And that is
Yes.
correct. Very good. All right, wonderful. Okay, number 3. Have you got any money? You answered letter F. Okay, you say, oh no, I don't have, I don't think I have. All right, and that is, ta-da, that's correct. Yay! Okay, number 4. How shall we pay for our tickets then? Okay, and you answered letter T. So let's ask mom for some. And that is correct. Yeah, you're so bright. All right. I'm sorry. Okay, number 5. So we can do that. We can do that. Do you want to go tomorrow instead? And you answered letter C, and that is correct. Yay! You got perfect score. Yay! All right, that's great job. Okay, let me give you some. Good job. Okay, that's good. Okay, good job. All right, so, okay, let's move on. Do you have any questions?
Yes.
What is your question? What is your questions?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes? Do you have questions? Yes? Okay, you can, if I ask you, Huang, do you have any questions? You can say yes or no. Yes, if you
Yes.
have question. No, if you don't have any questions. All right?
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, just a moment, please. I will drink some water. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm ready. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, next page. Okay, let's have at school. Okay, so words. Okay, can you read it? At school.
Corn.
All right, that's wonderful. So, what is it? Words.
Red.
Okay, so number one, okay, find the school subject and color lines. Okay, so here, okay, so guess you can't color it, you can't color the line, so I will help you to put on color, okay?
Okay.
All right, so what color of a pen do you like?
I like color is yellow.
Yellow. Okay, yellow is, okay, here. Okay, let me thicker. Okay, here. All
Yes.
right, there you are. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's practice first. Okay, these are all the lesson we have at school. Okay, we've got a lot of different subjects. Okay, let's find
My
the school
fav-
subject. What color?
my favorite subject is sport.
Sports.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So that is. Oh, it's purple. Let's make purple. Okay, purple. Sports. All right. What is your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Badminton. Yay. All right. Are you good at badminton?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. All right. Very good. Badminton. Okay, here. Okay, let's have. Okay, next. What else? What subject? Uh,
Difficult is art.
art. Okay, so art is color yellow. Let's have color yellow then.
Yeah.
Ooh, yay! Okay, so do you like art?
No,
No? Do, you don't know how to draw?
it's difficult.
It's difficult. Okay, so art is nice. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, next. What subject? Is it science is subject? Science is a
No,
subject. Is that not, it's not a subject? So that is one of the subject at school.
no, is math.
Math. Okay, math is red. So
Yeah.
let's have math.
No, orange. Math.
Ah,
Math.
yeah, sorry. All right, orange. I'm sorry. Okay, let's have math. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so let's delete first the red one. Okay, here. Okay, let's have the next one. Next subject. What subject do you have at school?
Um, Listen difficult is history.
History. Wow. Why it's difficult for you? It's history. Oh, it's color white. But I think if we can, oops, here. History. There you are. Okay, so history is difficult for you. Why history is difficult for you?
Yes.
Yes? You don't like history?
Yes.
I like history. All right.
I
Okay. You
like
like?
I like science.
You like?
Science.
Science. Wow, you like science. Okay, what part of a science do you like? What part of a science do you like?
Yes.
Ooh, science. Okay, do you studied a solar system at school? Not
No.
yet. Like you learned about stars, planet.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, so that is a solar system, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that is called solar system. Wonderful. Okay, next.
And a spot?
Sports. Yeah, done. How
Yeah.
about music?
No.
No? Yeah,
Yeah.
but music it's part of a subject. You have music at school?
Yes.
Yeah, so that is a part of an okay of a subject. Oh, I'm sorry. So it's okay. So let's oh. Hey, color red. Okay. All right, and we have two subject left. What is that? It's geography.
Geography.
Yes. Do you have geography at school?
No.
No. How about language?
Yes.
Yes. So that is color blue.
Oh.
All right. Okay. So this time, all right. So look at the picture. Let's color the let's color this one first. Oh, no. Yeah, it's okay. So we can have this one. All right. So let's color. All right. Let's have okay, the question is which subject has a longest line?
A sign.
Science! Very good. So that's correct. Science is the longest, have a longest sign. Science.
Yes.
Science. Oh, okay, let me one. Okay, here. All right, now, next question. Look at the picture. Tell your friend about the subject do you do at school. Okay, what? Which subject do you like and why? Which subject do you like? Do you like
I like spot.
sports? Okay, why you like sports? Be-
Yes.
yeah, why do you like sport? Because
Because like badminton.
I like play badminton. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, that's me. Let's me write that. Play badminton. Okay, very good. That's the correct answer. Okay, now let's move on to next question. Okay, which subject are difficult? Which subject is difficult? You said history.
This act.
What difficult for you?
Yes. Act.
History. So difficult for you is okay.
Because
Mhm.
is
Because
no act. Act.
art. Art. Okay, so art is difficult. Okay.
Because
Because I don't know how to draw.
yes.
Okay, I don't
Draw.
know how to
Draw.
draw. Okay. Very good. You answered it correct. All right. Okay, next. What's your favorite subject and why?
My favorite is math
Math. Wow. All right. Why do you like math?
because
Because
is
do you like numbers?
because is funny.
Ah, because it's funny. Wow. All right, that's nice. Okay. Okay, that's nice. All right, now let's move on. Next question. Which subject do you have test in? How do tests make you feel? Okay, what subject do you have a test?
Science.
Science. Okay. All right. Science. So, how do you feel about the test? Is it
Yes.
difficult? Easy?
Yes.
It's easy?
Yes.
Yay! So, I feel um is it do you feel exciting? So, do you feel exciting? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I feel exciting and it's easy. Okay, wow. Very good. Okay, let me correct this one. Exciting. All right, that's it. Okay, very good. All right, so you did a great job. Okay, let me give you some rewards here. Okay, good job. Okay, all right, let's move on. Okay, let's have. Oh, okay, let's have this one. Okay, let's have a story. Okay, so let's listen again the audio. Okay, let me play for you the audio. Oh, sorry. One moment, please. Okay, it's track 14.
Listening 14. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
What are you doing? It's midnight.
I couldn't sleep.
2,
Emma, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Go to sleep.
3,
It's 7:15. Time to get up.
I'm very tired.
4,
What time is it? Are we late again?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's 9:15. Let's run.
5,
It's midday.
What's the matter? Don't you want to play?
Sorry, I'm really tired.
6,
Dinner time. Oh dear, Ollie's sleeping and it's only 6:30.
Okay, so let's practice the dialogue. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's have this one. I am a mother and you are Emma. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What are you doing? It's midnight. Okay, next. It's your turn. I
Yes.
couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep.
I could sleep.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep. Emma, it's 4 o'clock. All right. Okay, let's change the name into your name, okay? Okay.
I wait past 7 to get up.
Okay, so Huang, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Go to sleep. Okay, so I'm a father.
After
Okay.
past 7.
Okay, you will read this one, Huang.
Time to
Huang?
get up.
Okay, Huang. Okay, listen for me first. Okay, you will read Emma's part. I will read Daddy part and Mommy part. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. It's 7:15 time. Time to get up. Okay, it's your turn.
I'm very tired.
I'm very tired. What time is it? Are we late again?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's where to
Quarter.
water tonight. Let's run.
Let's run. Okay. It's midnight. It's midday. What is the matter?
Mother, don't you want to play?
I'm sorry. I'm really tired.
Dinner time. Oh, there. Holly's sleeping and it's only 6:30.
Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. All right. Do you have any questions of the dialogue? Do you have? None so far? Okay. Okay. Let's answer. Okay. So match the clock with the picture and the story. What? Write the number. All right?
Yes.
Okay, can you see it clear or do you want me to wider? Okay, here. It's better. Okay, so here has an example. So 12 midnight. Okay, so let's see, put 1. All right, so number 3. All right, let's have think about your day. Draw a time on the clock on these clocks. Okay, then talk to your friends. All right, let's practice this one. Okay, now I will ask you some questions. Okay, what time did you wake up? What time do you wake up? You said 7?
Yes.
7:30 or 7 o'clock?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay, one moment. Let me delete the shorthand. Okay, one moment. And shorthand is here. Okay, here. All right, now, what time did you eat breakfast?
Yes.
What time? What time?
7, 6,
7:30?
7:30. Yeah.
Yay! 7:30. Okay, 7:30 is there. Okay, now let's move on to number 3, clock. Okay, what time do you go to school?
My goes to 10 o'clock.
3 or 10?
12.
12.
Yes.
Okay, let's have 12 here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's have 12 here. Oh dear. Okay, here. 12. Clock and the big one, the large. Okay, longer here. It's there.
Yes.
Okay, so 7:30. 7 o'clock. You will wake up and then 7:30 you eat and then 12 o'clock you go to school. All right. What time did you eat breakfast?
My lunch.
Sorry, lunch.
My lunch is 12:30.
12:30. Oh, okay. Let me put 12:30 here. 12:30. Oh, 12:30. All right. Okay, now, this time, what time do you go home?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay, let's have 4 o'clock here. Okay,
Yes.
4. And the longer here is here. 4 o'clock. Okay, wonderful. Okay, next. All right, what time did you eat dinner?
Dinner is 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Wow. Oops. Okay, that's very good. Okay, now, this time, let's talk to a friend. Oh, sorry. It's too nice. So nice. Okay, one moment. Have, okay, I will write down. Okay. 7
O'clock.
7 o'clock, eat breakfast. Wake up. Wake up, right?
Yes.
Right. And then at 7:30, you will eat.
Yes.
Yes, eat breakfast. Breakfast. All right. At 12 o'clock, go
What
to
time is it?
Hmm?
What time is it?
So 12, go to school, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. 12:30, you go eat lunch. Eat lunch.
Lunch.
Sorry. Eat lunch. All right, at 4 o'clock, you will go back home. At 7,
Yes.
at 7 o'clock in the evening, you will eat dinner. Okay, dinner. Very good. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Can you repeat? Okay. Okay. All right, let me change the color so that you can hear. Okay, yeah, I can't change the color. So, yeah. Can you see? Can you see what I write it? Okay, can you read? Okay, so here, can you read it, Huang?
Yes.
At 7, say it, at 7,
Yes. 7.
I wake up.
I wake up.
Okay, at 7:30,
Yes.
say at 7:30.
No.
Hmm?
Yes.
At 7:30, I ate breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Very good. Okay, at 12 o'clock, I go to school.
It's 8 o'clock. I go to school.
All right, at 12:30, I ate lunch.
At 12:30 is lunch.
Yes. How about 4 o'clock? At 4 o'clock,
At 4 o'clock, go to pick home.
yes, go. Okay, at 7 o'clock,
7 o'clock, eat dinner.
yay! Very good. All right, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Yay, very good. See? Wow! Good job. All right, so that's wonderful. Okay, sorry? Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, so let's have writing. Okay, so write the days onto the timetable. All right, so let's have this one. Okay, so here, Harry's timetable. So he said Wednesday. Okay, 9:30. Okay, she will do his homeworks. Okay, so that is her timetable.
Yes.
Okay, and then in the morning break. Okay,
Yes.
so it's 10:30.
Yes.
11 o'clock, lunch break. Right? And then at the afternoon, so 1:30 lesson time. Okay, 1:30 until 2:30. So 2 hours. Okay, now next is 1:30
What time is it?
here.
What time is it? Yes.
It's okay, one moment. Let me see. Let me check. It's already 9:53.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. How about your country? What time is it? What time is it now on your country?
No.
No time?
Yes.
Okay. So what time in your country? Do you have time? Do you have clock there? Do you
Yes.
have clock? Can you
Yes.
can you see what time is it now?
Yes.
Okay. So here, please look at the timetable and answer these questions. Okay. What time is lunch every day? Midday or 12 o'clock. All right. So next, number 2. What time is the IT lesson on Monday?
Have fast.
It's
Have fast.
lesson.
8 a.m.F.B.A.S.T.
Breakfast. Sorry, can you please repeat?
At
All right, one moment. H.
8
Okay, H.
8
Mhm.
L F B
Half
B
day. B.
oh B no B B
Happy.
A S T. Yes.
Past time.
No,
Half,
no, no. Far.
half past.
Yes.
Half past. Okay, say it again. Half past.
Past.
Yeah, very good. All right, number 3. What time does art club start on a Wednesday? Art club.
Uh, waiter.
Sorry?
Waiter.
Okay, what time? He said what time? It's
Waiter. Oh.
after. Okay, can you read this one? After.
Oh. A.
Okay, one moment. A.
We. No.
A. F. Sorry, can you please Okay, go ahead. A,
We.
we,
No.
a, go ahead. Okay, can you write down on the air? Can you write down? Can you help me? A, Q. Say Q.
Q.
All right, so that is Q. All right, so Q.
Q.
Okay.
U. A. Yes. Yes.
Quarter, then
Yes.
quarter to 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, quarter to 4. Okay, can you read? Okay, sorry. Quarter to 4.
Too far.
Okay, very good. All right. How many language lessons are there each week? How many?
One. One.
One. Okay,
Yes.
1. All right. Then, how long is morning break each day? How long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Very good. All right. Yay. Good job. All right. So that's all for today. Very good. See? Yay. Good job. Okay, that's wonderful. All right. Do you have any questions, Wang? Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So, Wang, you did a great job for today. You answered all the questions in our activity, and you are so very brave. All right. Good job. See you again on
What time
Tues-
is it? What time is it?
Today is 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
Yeah, 10. See here.
10 o'clock.
10. Yeah. You are ahead for us 1 hour. We are ahead for you 1 hour. So it's okay. Let me give you. Let me share to you. All right. I will create a clock for you. Okay. One moment. Asian. Okay. So now is 10 o'clock. So good job, Juan. Good. All right. Keep up the good work and see you again on Tuesday. All right. Goodbye and
Bye, teacher. See you again.
see you again. Thank